Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tatiana here, and I am back with another hair video. I love doing hair tutorials, so I'm going to be doing a lot of them on my channel. As you can see, I got a tan. I look darker. My hair looks color is stripped. I just took out of my braids. I'll show you guys a picture right here if you haven't seen on my Instagram already. Right here, you'll see that picture. I went to Grenada and then I went to Jamaica. It was a beautiful time. I was gone for almost 3 weeks. And vacation season is over. Salt water, chlorine water, all that has been trapped in my hair, causing my hair color to strip. And as you guys know, if you don't know, I do not like black hair on me or dark colored hair on me. I absolutely love having highlights and balayage in my hair. So today I'm going to be doing a video just rejuvenating my hair after vacation, after taking out the braids, a protective style, whatever you want to call it. And today the first thing I'm going to use is the Dark and Lovely. This is something that they have actually sent me. The Dark and Lovely Color Gloss Ultra Radiant Color Cream in color Golden Brown. This is almost the same color that I had in my hair before. So I'm going to use this because I love that. And it's no ammonia and semi-permanent. So this is the Color Gloss Ultra Radiant Color Cream with shea butter, coconut oil, and pomegranate. And it's natural looking results, touchable softness, conditioning, damage protection. This video is also going to be a collaboration with Tgin Naturals. They sent me a huge little goodie box that I can't wait to share with you guys. All that they have sent me, so continue watching this video to see more and what it is. So this is what my hair is looking like right after the braids. I haven't combed out my hair as of yet. As you can see, the color has stripped from most places, but from most places it is still there. But to be honest, I was quite ready for a new touch-up. Yeah, first colored it a couple months back because when I got my hair done from L'Oreal, they just gave me a balayage, right? So it wasn't touched up from the roots or anything like that, but I did it myself when I went back home and made it brown, so my hair could be brown and then streaks of blonde. So I'm gonna like touch up all the darker areas. Let's just get right into it. So my hair is fully colored right now. I'm just letting it marinate with this plastic wrap, so don't mind it. But I have this cute little package here from Tgin Natural, a little goodie box here. And in here, okay, so when you open the box, it's looking like this. It says your prescription for stronger, healthier hair is here. Repair, restore, and revive. And they left me a cute little note with my name on it. This is cute, Echo. Let's open it and see what's inside of here. It says, little card. Open it. It says, we're excited to share with you our new Miracle Repair collection. The prescription Far Stranger Healthier Hair. These products were handcrafted by our CEO, Chair Tia Donaldson, after a battle with breast cancer. In the business of repairing, retaining, and reviving. Hope you enjoy. Tgin. So thank you so much, Tia Donaldson, for organizing this box with you guys. I love new hair goodies. Love it. And then they gave me a coupon little thing too. I have the Tgin Miracle Repair Strengthening Shampoo. It's with black honey, coconut oil, intense restorative shampoo that helps reduce breakage, prevents split ends, and repairs hair damage. So that's here. Miracle Repair Deep Hydrating Hair Mask. Moisturizing conditioner that helps reduce breakage, prevents split ends, and repairs hair damage. So this is what it looks like. I have here is in this bottle right here. It's a Miracle Repair Protective Leave-In Conditioner. The black honey and coconut oil is an intense moisturizing leave-in conditioner that reduces breakage, prevents split ends, and repairs hair damage. Okay, my hair is damaged. I have 3 more in here. This one is a Miracle Repair Curl Protein Reconstructor. So, yeah, it's gonna reconstruct them curls. It's a Miracle Repair Curl Food with black honey and coconut oil. Okay, so yeah. Last one that's in here. This one is a hair serum. We love hair serums. This one is a Miracle Repair Anti-Breakage Serum. It's hair serum. Alright, y'all. So I'm going to start by washing my hair with these things because my hair is breaking. here. I twisted up my hair and then I took it out in the morning of the next day. And I was a little bit busy yesterday, so I didn't get a chance to show you guys unraveling my hair. So today I am here showing you my day 2 hair of using the Tgin. Thank God it's natural. And I wanted to come on here, and even though I took out my hair, I just want to share with you guys my honest opinion of the prescription for stronger, healthier hair package that they have sent me. And honestly, I can say I absolutely love it. My curls feel amazing. It's soft, it's defined. It's the second day. It's looking natural, I want to say. Also smells really good. My hair feels moisturized, it feels healthy. I had my hair up in braids for about 3 to 4 weeks, and I lost a little bit of hair just because of braids, which is expected, but I can definitely say this is worth getting. This is worth your money. Guys, actually purchasing and getting your money's worth for this, because it's what it says it does. And yeah, guys, I just want to come on here and just show you guys my hair. As you can see, my hair has grown. It's really long now. It's getting there. Okay, so I definitely recommend the repairing, the restoring, the reviving kit. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to this channel, okay? Like, I'm here for the videos. I'm coming back consistent. I've been gone for a couple weeks. Yeah, life happened. And try these products out and let me know what you think of it down below in the comments, or hit me up and let me know what you think of these products. Have you tried it before? Has it worked for you? Or what else that you have that you want to tell me. So I thank you guys for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and I pray to see you in the next one. Bye.